Haunted typewriter warning. The typewriter clacks on its own, each key spelling out "don't turn around" with unnatural speed. My fingers tremble, hovering above the haunted machine, as cold air brushes the back of my neck. Shadows stretch across the walls, flickering with every blink, but I refuse to look behind me. The words keep coming, louder and more urgent, drowning out my own heartbeat. I sense breathing that isn't mine, impossibly close, sour and hot. Still, I stare straight ahead, knowing that if I turn around, I'll see what's been waiting for me all along.